We got this Lexus ES300 just pulled up to the shop. About to be replacing the leather in the front and rear seats. Just gonna check out the before. Very worn and cracking. Center armrest also we're gonna be replacing. I'm gonna rewrap these in the back. You see those is getting chipped up, so all this is gonna be rewrapped. I'll be back in a second with the finished product. If you'd like to buy a set for your vehicle, the link will be in the description. We have every color, any style, and almost every vehicle. Perforated inserts for the heated and cooled seats. This is 100% real leather. Don't worry, I'll get back to the install video in 1 minute. Just wanted to take a quick commercial break to let you know we do have these upholstery kits available in almost every year, make, and model, and have hundreds of styles and colors to choose from. And the order process is very easy. All you have to do is go to our website, choose your year, make, and model, select your trim level. After that, you'll choose your design, select 1 or 2 colors. You can also change stitching colors or add piping. When you're happy with your design, place your order and you receive your kit in about 1 to 2 weeks. Also for this vehicle, we went ahead and wrapped the backs because she has some holes in there. So you can order this from our website. We have a detailed step-by-step tutorial you can watch. All right, let's check out the rear. Console lid. Also, if you want to know how we installed this kit, we made a step-by-step install video. Just click the video on your screen and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.